Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken mayo salad easy method. Gather cooked chicken, mayonnaise, celery, onion, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Chop the chicken and vegetables into bite-sized pieces and mix gently with mayo and lemon. Taste and adjust seasoning, add herbs if desired, and chill for at least 30 minutes for flavors to meld. Serve on bread, greens, or crackers for a simple, satisfying meal the whole family will enjoy. Start by shredding or dicing your cooked chicken into uniform pieces for even flavor. Dice celery and onions small for crunch and mild bite, then squeeze in fresh lemon juice. Combine mayonnaise with a pinch of salt and pepper, then fold the chicken and vegetables carefully to keep texture. Taste and tweak acidity or seasoning, and consider fresh herbs for brightness before chilling briefly and serving with confidence. For simple variations, try grapes, apple, or chopped nuts to balance creaminess with sweetness and crunch. Swap some or all of the mayonnaise for Greek yogurt to reduce calories and add tang without losing creaminess. Add a dash of mustard or hot sauce if you want a flavor lift, and always taste as you go to control salt and acid. These small adjustments make the salad adaptable to many preferences and meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.